Hi, good evening. It's Andy Gray from BlockRocket Tech in Manchester. I just wanted to share with you and explain the hackathon entry we've done for the Blocknative Gitcoin hackathon, which was all described wonderfully on this page. So this is the most interesting use of Blocknative's gas platform. So how we started looking at this is we started looking at the data first. We was actually using a curl command and you sort of seeing what data comes back and seeing what we could find interesting about that. I started off writing, looking at some of the data about the lowest prices we could see coming back from some of the feeds and sort of figuring out what was the lowest top price. But after looking at the distribution data, which we found quite interesting, we decided to move on to do a sweet spot out of the distribution of the top stats. So what we started doing is processing the data and graphing them, because what I found personally when using graph tools like ETH Gas Station and ETH Gas now is very number based and always like a price per transaction. Where I was quite interested in trying to find that spot where a lot of transactions are and where the sweet spot is for actually getting the gas right if you want to get a transaction in pretty soon. So we've made this configurable. I've made this configurable so you can actually play around with this modulo setting, which is almost the range of gassing if you want to, the range of gas. And we're just polling the actual distribution endpoint, the distribution feed. And we know that some of the transactions probably might be counted twice, but really what we're looking for is the trends. And we also added a way to reset the stats, because see, you've got about 3,000 transactions now and 150 GUI is coming out as like what will probably get you in the next block we expect. But obviously we can reset that and start saying, well, okay, let's just look at the stats in a smaller sort of set, maybe like in a few blocks. And here you see this is still thinking it's around 150 GUI, that's like almost the most popular price point at this modulo. If I bring that down a little bit, you see that that's moving around. And you sort of can then start seeing where the spikes are and where the adjustments are and how it's sort of moving over the minute to minute. Because obviously that could save you a little bit from time to time. So that's how it works. I think the best way to get to know it is play with it. We've pushed everything up on GitHub. We're going to fill the form in now. We've done a little README. Have a play with it. Let us know what you think, and hopefully somebody will find this useful, and we can actually dig some decent data from it. Cheers, guys, and good luck for everyone